Hello everyone, today I am going to share a story, The Superfood Squad, fueling superhero adventures. Once upon a time, there was a city named Healthyville. There lived a group of extraordinary superheroes known as Superfood Squad. Each superhero possessed a unique power. Captain Carrot, with his vibrant orange suit, had power of supervision. He could spot any danger from afar and sweep in to save the day. Next came Iron Spinach, whose strong and mighty presence was matched by his bulging muscles. He could lift heavy objects effortlessly and leap tall buildings in a single bound. Next comes Super Berry, the agile and quick superhero, could run faster than the speed of light. It gives her energy to run and stay active throughout the day. Next comes the incredible Avocado, known for his invincible armor-like skin, had the power of healing. With a single touch, he could mend broken bones and cure illness. But then there was Valentina's junk food gang. Dr. Sugar Rush, driven by their love for sugary snacks, wants to make everyone slow. Energy crashes, tooth decay, and an increased risk of chronic diseases like diabetes. Apart from Dr. Sugar Rush, there was Greasy Fries, represents oily and fried foods. They can make you feel sluggish and contribute to unhealthy weight gain. Together they wanted to make everyone in the city slow and sluggish. But the Superfood Squad fought against the Valentina's junk food gang. In a thrilling battle, the Superfood Squad used their powers and teamwork to defeat the junk food gang. But wait, they realized that their job wasn't just about fighting villains. It was also about teaching the people of Healthyville the importance of healthy eating. They showcased how carrots improved vision, spinach made muscles strong, berries provided energy, and our favorite avocados promoted healing. They held a town meeting where they explained the incredible powers of their favorite superfoods. All the people pledged to make healthier choices and embrace the power of nutritious foods. The citizens of Healthyville were inspired by the Superfood Squad's message. They learned that they too could become superheroes by eating well-balanced meals. From that day onwards, they all lead healthier, happier lives.